In this video, we examined how two different channels behaved when water flowed through them. The first channel was made of only sand, the slope of its banks was gradual, and the channel itself was shallow. The second channel had rocks in its banks and in the bed of the channel. The banks were steep, and the channel was deep. The channel without rocks eroded its banks quickly and lost its meandering shape. The width of the channel increased from 6.5 to 8 inches, then to 12 1/4 inches. The channel with rocks undercut its banks heavily at first, but once the rocks settled, erosion slowed down. The channel kept its shape and size for the most part. The width of the channel changed from 6.5 to 7 3/8, then finally to 8 inches. The mouth of the channel ended up being much wider than the channel itself, measuring 12 inches across.
Alright, so we started out with two channels that were shaped pretty much identical, or as close as we could. This side we put rocks on the bottom and lining the sides of the channel, and you can see that it kept its curves and meandering and just kept making more dramatic. On this side over here you can see that we actually have the channel straightened out. This side was just sand, nothing to prevent erosion on any of the banks, and it straightened out. And then you have these nice sediment plumes. The one on this side is bigger than the one on this side. That one is the sand only channel. You have a much more even sediment plume, where over here you can see like lobes right here from when it first started eroding, because it came out this way, and then over here once this side got eroded and just started flowing out this way.
Less erosion occurred in the channel with rocks. The large rocks could not be carried downstream by the flow of water, so the rocks caused turbulent flow. In turbulent flow, friction within the flow of water decreases the velocity of the water. In turn, the water will drop some sediment it is carrying. The flow of water in the channel without rocks was less disturbed, so the water carried sediment farther before dropping it.